Hey everybody, this is Dave with Mid-Atlantic Survival. Today we're going to be learning how to make a solar still. The components of the solar still are simple. You need a collection dish, some form of plastic. This can be, in this case, a trash bag. It can also be a bag from a grocery store. To build your solar still, first thing you want to do is dig a hole. I've pre-dug most of this to save time on the video. If you have damp ground, you can dig till you start reaching damp ground for your water. If you do not have damp ground, there's ways you can do it without it. So what we'll do is, we start by putting our collection dish right in the middle. This can be a soda can that you found and cut the top off. This can be Tupperware in this case. Now, if you do not have damp ground, there's multiple things you can do. One thing you can do is you can put green vegetation in your hole. The sun will evaporate the moisture out of it. The other thing, and I'm cheating here, is you can pour seawater, or you can urinate in the hole, anything to add moisture. To construct it, what we're going to do, now I always recommend keeping a piece of latex tubing in there. It can be used for slingshots, it can be used for all sorts of things. The nice thing about putting it in the solar still, you don't have to take it apart to get the water. You can merely just drink it out of it. So all you gotta do for construction, put a layer of plastic, over your hole. You can use multiple methods to hold down the sides. You can put logs down. You can even pile some of the dirt that you've already dug out around it. And you can even use rocks that you found in the area. Now the key thing about the solar still is you want to try to get it semi-airtight. What this is going to do is it's going to allow all the moisture that evaporates out of the foliage, that evaporates out of the ground, that evaporates out of all that, to the central collection point. In this case, we're going to make that point by placing a rock right over top of our collection dish. The sun will evaporate the moisture, form like a dew on the plastic, and run down. When it hits that low point, as they all run down, they'll eventually collect together and drip into your container. By placing this, we wouldn't have to take it apart. You'd be able to just drink it out of there. You would leave this constructed the entire time you're out there, and hopefully it'll sustain you with enough water. If you have the materials, it doesn't hurt to make multiple ones. We'll come back and check on this in a little bit. Thank you.